How to make roots of a plant. Have you ever wished you could grow a brand new plant from just one healthy stem? Imagine turning a single plant into 2, 5, or even 10 beautiful plants without spending any money. The secret is learning how to encourage strong, healthy roots. In today's video, you'll discover simple, effective, and beginner-friendly ways to help plant cuttings develop roots successfully. Stay until the end because a few small mistakes can prevent roots from growing, and knowing how to avoid them can make all the difference. One of the most rewarding experiences in gardening is watching a simple cutting grow into a healthy new plant. It may seem like magic, but it's actually a natural process that happens when a cutting is given the right conditions. Plant propagation is the process of creating new plants from existing ones. It's a method that gardeners have used for generations to multiply their favorite plants, share them with friends, and build beautiful gardens without buying new plants every time. The first step is choosing a healthy parent plant. A strong, disease-free plant has much more energy to produce healthy roots than one that is weak or unhealthy. When selecting a stem, look for one that is green, firm, and actively growing. Avoid stems that are dry, damaged, or showing signs of disease. A clean cut is very important. Using clean, sharp gardening scissors or pruning shears helps prevent unnecessary damage to the stem. A smooth cut heals more easily and gives the cutting a better chance to grow roots. After taking the cutting, remove the leaves from the lower part of the stem. This allows the section that will produce roots to stay clean and helps the plant focus its energy on root development rather than supporting extra leaves. Now comes one of the biggest decisions: should you root the cutting in water or soil? Both methods can work well and each has its own advantages. Water propagation allows you to watch the roots develop day by day. It's exciting to see tiny white roots appear and gradually become longer and stronger. Watching this process helps beginners understand how plants grow. However, it's important to keep the water clean. Fresh water provides oxygen and reduces the chance of harmful bacteria affecting the cutting. Replacing the water regularly helps create a healthier environment for developing roots. Soil propagation is another excellent method. Instead of growing roots in water first, the cutting is placed directly into moist potting mix. As long as the soil stays lightly moist, not soaking wet, the cutting can begin producing roots naturally beneath the surface. Whichever method you choose, patience is one of the most important ingredients. Many people become discouraged after only a few days because they don't see immediate results. But plants work at their own pace. Some cuttings develop roots within a week or two, while others may take several weeks. The environment also plays a major role in successful rooting. Bright, indirect light is usually the best choice for most cuttings. Too much direct sunlight can dry the cutting before roots have a chance to develop, while too little light can slow growth. Temperature is another important factor. Warm conditions generally encourage faster root development than cold environments. Keeping the cutting in a comfortable location helps the natural rooting process continue steadily. Humidity can also make a big difference. Without roots, a cutting cannot absorb much water from the soil. Higher humidity helps reduce water loss through the leaves, giving the cutting more time to develop a healthy root system. One common mistake is overwatering. Many beginners think more water means faster root growth. In reality, constantly wet conditions can cause the stem to rot before roots ever appear. Moist, not waterlogged, is usually the best balance. Another mistake is constantly moving the cutting to different locations. Plants need stability. Once you've placed the cutting in a suitable environment, avoid disturbing it too often. Let nature do its work. As days pass, exciting changes begin to happen. Tiny root cells start forming at the base of the stem. These small roots slowly grow longer, branch out, and begin absorbing water and nutrients. Eventually, the cutting becomes capable of supporting new leaves and fresh growth. Seeing that first new leaf is an unforgettable moment for every gardener. It's a sign that the cutting has successfully established itself and is beginning a completely new life. Once the roots become strong enough, the young plant can continue growing into a healthy, mature plant with proper care. At this stage, regular watering, good lighting, and quality soil become even more important. Remember that every plant species is different. Some root very quickly. Others require more patience. The key is not to rush the process. Gardening teaches us valuable lessons beyond growing plants. It teaches patience, observation, consistency, and appreciation for the quiet miracles happening in nature every single day. A tiny stem may not look impressive at first, but given the right care, it has the potential to become a beautiful, thriving plant that lasts for years. That is one of the greatest joys of gardening. You don't always need expensive tools or complicated techniques. Sometimes all you need is a healthy cutting, the right environment, and a little patience. Every successful gardener started as a beginner. Every beautiful garden began with a single plant. And every healthy root started as a tiny invisible beginning beneath the surface. So the next time you prune one of your favorite plants, don't throw those healthy stems away. Instead, give them the opportunity to grow. You might be surprised at how many beautiful new plants you can create from just one original plant. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning about plant propagation and rooting techniques, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who loves gardening and growing plants. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember that every great garden begins with a single root. Happy gardening, seedling herb.